Welcome to the engineering school at the University of Valencia. We are pleased and proud to have you here.
So we live in a world where we have data everywhere. We have data to understand our world. We have data to understand ourselves. And we need to improve our methodologies to better understand data.
I'm actually interested in data science because I study something like that. I study artificial intelligence. So the material was pretty related.
Lecture that I loved the most was the one of this morning about big data in the journalism field.
Because it's trying to map everything as if it didn't know.
Artificial intelligence has really experienced a revolution in the last 10 years or so, since the very first convolutional neural networks architectures like AlexNet.
So I really enjoyed the lesson about data visualization and biostatistics. For data visualization, because this actually gives us an idea on how convey complex information to the public in a very general way.
Post jobs or post positions and other being able to hire them whenever they need it.
Students have been divided into 3 groups. They have chosen 3 problems, mainly social problems, environmental problems, and they have transformed these problems into challenges.
I came here to learn more about natural language processing, both in entrepreneurial waters and in research waters.
We are more near to the customer. So imagine paying for people to...
Big telcos have a huge amount of data, and we have talked about how to secure this data and why it's so important to protect the data, which is where the value and where the money is for this company.
Welcome anytime you want to come and to speak to us or whatever. Okay, so thanks very much.